How do invasive species impact lakes and their ecosystems? Invasive species are making headlines as they increasingly threaten lakes and the ecosystems that depend on them. Just this week, experts have raised alarms about the rapid spread of these species and their effects. If you are concerned about the health of your local lakes and want to know how these invaders are changing the environment, you are in the right place. Invasive species impact lakes by outcompeting native species for resources. This competition can lead to a decrease in native fish populations, disrupting the food web. For instance, invasive carp species, including bighead, black, grass, and silver carp, consume large amounts of plankton and vegetation. Native fish relying on these resources for food, so their decline can alter the natural balance of the ecosystem. Moreover, invasive carp stir up sediments while feeding. This activity increases water turbidity, which reduces light penetration. As a result, native aquatic plants struggle to thrive, further degrading habitat quality. Invasive plants like purple loosestrife, buckthorn, and reed canary grass are also problematic. They dominate shorelines and crowd out native vegetation. This shift reduces habitat diversity, impacting species that depend on native plants for food and shelter. Additionally, some invasive insects, such as the spotted lanternfly, feed on sap from various plants, including trees and crops near lakes. Their feeding produces honeydew, a sticky substance that encourages black mold growth. This can threaten plant health and overall ecosystem stability. The overall impact of invasive species includes a loss of native biodiversity, altered nutrient cycling, and impaired water quality. These changes can affect recreational activities and local fisheries. Efforts to manage invasive species often involve monitoring and early detection. Control measures aim to reduce their populations and help restore native species and water quality. Awareness and action are essential in addressing this growing concern. Understanding how invasive species affect lakes can help communities take steps to protect their local ecosystems.